Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Dwellin app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Dwellin is a home management app designed to help homeowners stay on top of routine maintenance, repairs, and improvement tasks. It offers personalized reminders, expert tips, and a centralized dashboard to track the health of your home. You can also access recommended local service providers, view seasonal checklists, and get guidance on what to do and when, all tailored to your home's age, location, and features. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is sleek, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Users appreciate how it breaks down complex maintenance tasks into manageable steps, making homeownership less overwhelming. The reminders are timely, and the content is practical, from changing HVAC filters to prepping your home for winter. That said, it's not perfect. Some users feel the provider recommendations could be more localized, especially in less populated areas. Others mention occasional syncing issues when adding new home details or changes. Also, while the advice is helpful, there's currently no way to track expenses or repairs done historically. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like. It helps a lot. In summary, Dwellin is a helpful companion for homeowners looking to stay organized and proactive with their property. It simplifies home care, adds educational value, and offers peace of mind, especially for new homeowners. Just note a few limitations with service integration and customization depending on your location. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.